Hey guys, today we're gonna fix the issue that when we try to run our React project, it says node env is not recognized. So in Microsoft we have cross-platform, so we need to change it accordingly. First, we're gonna install cross environment, and then we need to change it in the package.json cross environment for dev, also for the start. So after save it, let's try to run. So it's working now. This is the port, this is the address, everything's working now. Thanks for watching.